Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the day one recap of the AISTech 2025 show. I'm here with the fantastic Wayne Maxter. Let's talk about today. How was day one? Did you enjoy it? What were some of the highlights? Tell me all about day one, Wayne.
You're killing me, buddy, but I had a great day.
Yeah,
day
did you?
One.
I'm glad you did.
Let's talk about the customers that we
Please.
have had here today. We've had SDI.
Yes.
We've had Nucor. We've had Gerdau. We've had CMC. And JSW, new customer for us, for sure. So it's been a pretty good day so far.
Good. Yeah, it's been awesome. Things have been picking up. It felt like it started a little bit slow, but you know, once you get some of the food and drink going around and everyone's having a good time mingling, definitely things felt a lot more livelier and a lot more enjoyable too. Day one for me was fantastic, Wayne. I mean, I got a chance to see a lot of repeat customers, people that I have seen last year and the year prior, and new faces too. Obviously, customers we're working with on current projects as well. So it was really, really fruitful. I got a question for you though. What are you most looking forward to for day number two? And yeah, what are your feels coming up for day two?
Actually, I'm looking forward to seeing a few more customers. I mean, that's an obvious answer to things. We, as you mentioned, started off a little slow in the morning, but it's been absolutely fantastic. As you look around the music center right now, you can see a ton of people wandering down the backside, and I'm looking forward to seeing a lot more people. So it's been a great show so far.
Yeah, likewise. And to our fantastic customers, friends, and GMB family, thank you for visiting us today. For those that do get to see this video, it's an absolute pleasure to have you. And to those that have not yet visited and may visit, booth number 2157, GMB Heavy Industries, please come find us, say hello, grab some swag, and spend some time with us and learn what GMB Industries can do for you and how we can bring amazing innovations into your steel mill and production facility.
GMB rocks.
There you go. Take it from the man himself. He knows what he's talking about. So thank you so much for joining us. That's day one recap. Day two coming up very soon. Take care.